How to reset Microsoft account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first things first, open up Google Chrome and then search for Microsoft and then tap on the Microsoft 365 login link. And after that, you'll have to type in your email address by tapping on sign in. So after you have typed in your email address of your Microsoft account, hit the next option. Now, this is where the magic happens. Tap on forgot your password, and then you will have to type in whatever code that they show you there, and then hit the next button, and then you'll be able to reset your password. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.